Welcome back. It's time now to take a look at the top business stories. Speculation surrounds federal government bond sale. Abu Dhabi Motors posts 301% increase in Rolls-Royce sales. And for all of this week, we'll be showing you some interview highlights of 2010. The GCC markets closed mainly higher today, and the UAE bourses also ended positive. The DFM fell 1.25% to close at 1,621 points. The property sector posted gains today, with Arab Tech rising 1.5% and MR Properties up over 2%. Du rose nearly 4.5%, while Dubai Islamic Bank climbed 1.75%. Emirates NBD fell 0.25%. 60 million shares were traded, valued at 93 million dirhams. And over in the capital, the ADX lost 0.39% to close at 2,702 points. Aldar Properties dropped nearly 0.5%, while TAQA fell over 0.5%. Dana Gas and Estilat both remained unchanged. 31 million shares were traded, valued at 47 million dirhams. A federal government bond sale could be in place by the end of next year, according to the Minister of State for Financial Affairs. The federal government is looking at a 41 billion dirham spend against 38 billion of revenue that has caused speculation surrounding a bond to finance the 3 billion difference. The federal government has been assessing the sale of bonds for some time now to secure financing for government departments, and has been long awaited by finance heads in the region to promote the development of regional debt markets. Many technicalities are still to be put in place, however, in order to trade securities, so this will not be implemented immediately. Federal bonds would also give the central bank another tool to intervene markets and influence interest rates and lending activities. The private equity arm of Dubai Investments, Mashari Investments, is looking to put in 700 million dirhams to take over 7 regional companies, ranging from healthcare and education to oil and gas next year. The company's CEO has said the firm is looking at acquisitions rather than exiting companies, of which 3 of the 7 deals might even close this month. Mashari Investments currently owns companies in various sectors, including construction, contracting, aluminium, telecom and interior design, and have no plans to sell any other stakes following their announcement to sell a 50% stake in Syscom Emirates to Saudi Inteltech. And there's good news for the luxury car market, as Abu Dhabi Motors has recorded a 310% increase in Rolls-Royce sales from January to November 2010, compared to the same period last year. The company has also achieved the second highest volume of sales worldwide for Rolls-Royce in the same period, that industry heads have said have been driven by the new Ghost model, as well as high demand for bespoke phantom vehicles. As well as achieving a huge growth in sales, Abu Dhabi Motors has also been hailed as the second best-selling dealership worldwide. UAE interior design company Deepa has won a contract worth 72 million dirhams to fit out the Yasmin Rotana Hotel in Damascus, Syria. The contractor is responsible for the fitting out of the Burj Khalifa and will start on the Syrian project in January, set for delivery in early 2012. It includes 338 rooms and suites and public areas. And for all of this week, we'll be bringing you some interview highlights for 2010. So up next, an interview with Dalia Moghahed, the director and senior analyst at the Abu Dhabi Gallup Center, about relations between the West and Muslim world.